Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing power and access. Disconnect the negative battery terminal so airbags and electronics are safe. Once done, remove the front cup holder trim and the shift bezel. These hide screws. Use a plastic trim tool to avoid scratching. Make sure to pull straight and feel for clips, then remove any exposed screws beneath. Keep fasteners grouped and labeled so reassembly is fast. This first phase exposes the console mounting hardware and prevents plastic damage later in the process. Once you've exposed the mounts, take out the storage bin and sliding tray to reveal more screws and electrical plugs. Depress connector tabs and label each plug. Then remove bolts under the armrest and along the console sides with 10 mm or 12 mm sockets. These secure the frame. As you loosen, support the console so wiring doesn't strain. Make sure to locate any HVAC ducts or grounding straps. Unclip them slowly. This prevents snap tabs and keeps vehicle systems intact while you free the console. Now lift the console rear first to disengage the front clips. Guide wiring and hoses out through the dash opening so nothing tears. Disconnect the final harnesses and unclip the shift cable or parking brake bracket if attached. Once free, set the console on a padded surface and inspect clips and screw bosses for damage. Replace any broken clips to ensure a snug reassembly. If something won't unplug, stop and double-check hidden fasteners. Forcing it risks wiring or dash damage and is the most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.